Alright, we have our PyCharm open. I'm going to go ahead and make a new project. I'm going to call it first tests. Go ahead and create that. Let's go ahead and let it open it for me so we can see what we're doing. Now, just taking a few minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to make two folders. If you're using the command line, you can make these folders on your file system. But in PyCharm, we'll make these folders inside of our project. So that will allow us, wow, this is taking longer than I thought. But so the whole idea is we're going to have a folder where we keep our tests, and we can name that file something.py, and then we'll have a separate file where we keep our actual code. And this is going to help you write that first project that we're talking about, where you're going to write the test and then the code to go along with it as well. I'm going to pause while this loads. And